I want Evil Within 3 to be like the super unbelievably cliched buddy cop one. It's like, it's not even horror anymore. It's just like, I get in STEM, like, I dive bomb with my parachute, explosions behind me, like glass breaking, like, ah! And then JoJo's there, like, with like a minigun. JoJo's been fighting people for 3 years straight, and I'm just like, hey, JoJo, don't you hate these late shifts? And it's like, well, wondering when you get here, and then it all gets back together. And then Ruvik comes in with like sunglasses, like the cliche evil villain, all back again. Like, you thought I was dead. It'll take more than squishing my brain to kill me, and puts on sunglasses. And then he pulls out 2 like Uzis and just, and then like that's how it goes. That's why I want Evil Within 3 to be. Lily just puts on more sunglasses, just like 3 pairs of sunglasses, and pulls out like a rocket launcher.